Hello, friends. What we are uh, learning today is archaeology. It is again considered as one of the difficult portion of anthropology. I don't know why, but at the same time, it is one of the scoring area of anthropology. You must have seen that every year they ask, like I have seen that 2020 when they ask very minimum questions in paper, what 35, 40 marks, but generally they ask around around 50 marks every year related to archaeology in paper 2 and paper 1 also they ask a lot of questions related to archaeology. So that's why archaeology has become a very important topic since at least last few years. Okay, so we are going to learn about archaeology only in this section. So I have already provided these notes on my Telegram channel. Okay, so what you need to do related to archaeology, there is a lot of data, there is a lot of things to mark up. Okay, so the best thing about it is structure your mind so that you can understand it properly. Once you understand it properly, you need not mug it up. I'll tell you the tricks, I'll tell you how exactly we need to proceed with the archaeology. So there will be two sessions related to archaeology. In the first session, we will see the cultural development of the humans. Okay, starting from the lower Paleolithic, we started somewhere around the 5 lakh years ago when our ancestor, generally we'll say Homo habilis, Homo ergaster, then Homo erectus. Okay, so they were dwelling on the earth in the Oldowan culture or Levalloisian. Okay, and related to that, what UPSC has started doing now, they are asking random questions. In 2019, they asked about Oldowan culture. 2020, they asked about Natufian culture. Now, when we go through these notes, you will see all these points included in it. But at the same time, it is very difficult to write answer about any such random site. So how to write answer for such kind of questions so that you can get at least average marks related to such kind of questions? We'll see that. In the second session, the technical part related to this, mostly the dating methodology, which is 1.8a. Then Shivalix, Ramapithecus, Shivapithecus, right? That's in paper 2, 1.2. And some portion related to maybe survival and parallel or ethnoarchaeology, we'll see in one another lecture. So today's lecture, we will see related to cultural development. So why, as you must have seen 1.4, 1.4a, I think biological and cultural factors for related to human evolution. Okay, we have studied that already, and human evolution was taking place. And the most important point in that you must have learned, our hands became bipedal. Locomotion started somewhere around Australopithecines, right? Bipedal locomotion started at that time, and our hands became free. Now, when our hands became free, then at that time, human brain was also, uska jo ek cranial capacity बढ़ रहा था, the human brain was like we started thinking, and then we started hunting. Now hunting was there, hunting was there. Now to make it more effective, now make it, because at that time we see the same change, that the size of our teeth, the honing and chewing, right? The size of our teeth was decreasing. Why? Because we were using some kind of tools. We were using some kind of tools so that the whichever that animal fat or animal जो भी animal को हम खाते थे, hunt करते थे, so we were doing some processing on it by using of the tools. And that, let's see, it is very important to relate to this. Unless you relate this, it is very difficult to imagine how this must have happened. Now once you imagine it, your life becomes easy. Your life becomes very, very easy. Okay, so we'll start from that. So lower Paleolithic started somewhere around 5 lakh years ago. So 5 lakh years ago, when the lower Paleolithic started, the human who were dwelling around on the earth, they were Homo erectus, Homo erectus. And now these are the maps. Again, see, it is very important to draw the maps. I would say it is Essential to draw the maps in case of archaeology. If you draw the maps, you will get very, very good marks. That's my suggestion to you. You must follow this. Okay. So we'll start from lower Paleolithic. Now before starting this, I want to give you a very important instruction. One, if the question is in paper one, and if they ask you about lower Paleolithic, just lower Paleolithic, it is expected for you to write more about the world sites, not Indian sites. Now, if the question is in paper two, now it's related to Indian archaeology, then if they ask you about lower Paleolithic, then you should describe Sohan culture and Madrasian industry, right? So that's is expected. This is very implicit. Okay. But now what they have started doing, that in the paper one also, they are asking about Indian sites only. Now, there are some famous Indian sites also which you should know and which I have included. Now, even if you don't know the answer of that, even if you don't know particulars about that particular site, so even in that case, we can write a very good answer. I'll let you know how we can write a very good answer related to that. Okay, so let's start from the lower Paleolithic. Now you need to have a proper structure. You need to have a proper structure for writing the answers in the archaeology section. Proper structure kya hai ki in the introduction itself you should write, let's say if you are discussing about the lower Paleolithic, then in introduction you can write lower Paleolithic, it belongs lower Paleolithic जो भी है इसका जो time period है, it belongs to the जो भी है 5 lakh years to 1 lakh years ago, and the human living was Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Okay, you can write about the climatic condition there. That will become your introduction. Now, in case of body, then you will start. सबसे important अगर कोई चीज है तो tool technology. अब पहले तो मैं बोलूंगा कि tool material भी आप लिख सकते हैं. Okay, you can write about the tool material. In the lower Paleolithic, the major tool material we were using, that was quartz, right? It was quartz, and then lower Paleolithic में हम quartz use कर रहे. So there were multiple tool technology we were using. Tool technology की आपको photos भी मिल जाएगी. I think you will get in the Anthropology Simplified. There are various tool technologies, right? So cylinder technology, like at least you should draw 3-4 which are very, very important, I would say, right? So that Clactonian, actually Clactonian is in England. You must have seen here. This is Clactonian. It is in England. Okay. So Clactonian tool technology, or hammer type tool technology, or cylinder hammer type tool technology, or Levalloisian. Now, Levalloisian, it is mostly related to Middle Paleolithic, because Levalloisian also called as Mousterian tool technology. Mousterian tool technology, it was used by Neanderthals. But it was again used in the lower Paleolithic as well. So Clactonian tool technology, Levalloisian tool technology, anvil tool technology, cylinder hammer technology. So these are like, I don't want to draw the diagrams, or let's say this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder, and then this is another stone. Then this cylinder, when you drop on this, then you can just ये वाला part हम निकाल देंगे. So this can be used as a tool. So हम इसको tool किस चीज के लिए फिर? There are multiple tools used, multiple tools humans created by using these kind of tool technology. This tool called as chopper chopping tools. If they ask you about chopper chopping tools, then you should write about the lower Paleolithic only. That is expected from you. Okay. So this is how you need to structure your answer. Now, the common structure I am telling, this structure is applicable to all the cultures which we are going to study. Okay. So chopper chopping tools. So draw the simple, very simple diagram. Let's say this is a chopper. This is one chopper. Then this is chopping. There are two types of hand axe, again, Acheulean and Abelian hand axe. Okay. So, or let's say like this. Okay. This is called as Abelian hand axe. Okay. So then cleavers, जो भी है. Okay, so these cleavers and all these tools, these are, इसको बोलते हैं ये Levolution tool technology से prepare करते हैं. Okay, so you need to draw the tools. First tool material, then tool technology, then the tools used, right? Once you say that tool used, then the next thing you should write about the sites. यहाँ पे ही सबको प्रॉब्लम आती है, to write about the sites. Now if the question is just about 10 marks, if the question is for just 10 marks, okay, तो ये सारी चीजें थोड़ा सा short में करके sites you just can mention. Okay, one or two important sites you can describe or you can just mention. If the question is about 15 marks, okay, if the question is of 15 marks, then you need to describe the sites. If the question is in paper 1, as I have said, you need to describe the world sites, but don't forget to describe any Indian site, because Sohan and Madrasian tool industry, these are the very, very famous sites. Okay, these are the very famous sites. Okay, so lower Paleolithic में regional variation, जैसे अभी यहाँ पे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो, जैसे यूरोप है, यूरोप में अभी you need to know just that the Clactonian, it is related to lower Paleolithic. If they ask you about Clactonian, you are going to write the same thing. If they ask you about Oldowan culture, you are going to write the same thing. There are only one or two changes which are site specific. Otherwise, most of the things, they are very, very simple, very, very straightforward, and most of the time these are similar. Okay. So Homo erectus migrated from Africa and spread to Oldowan culture throughout, spread the Oldowan culture throughout the Eurasia in the refined form. So यूरोप में ये हो गया. फिर Oldowan culture named after the Olduvai Gorge, right? They have asked this question in 2019. 2019 they have asked this question for 10 marks. Now people were clueless what exactly to write in this, but I would say Oldowan culture, like in Oldowan culture, it is the, I think यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारे होमो हैबिलिस हुआ, अर्गेस्टर हुआ, बाद में सारे सेपियंस तक बहुत सारे जो हमारे एंसेस्टर है उनका ओरिजिन है. सो Oldowan was very important. Then Asia में Sohan is there, Narmada is there, Madrasian is there, Java is there, Peking is there, right? Why Java and Peking? You must have seen when you were studying the primatology in Java man and Peking man, you must have seen, right? ये हमने. Okay, so right, Java and Peking man, I was saying Java man, Peking man. Then after that, then Zhao Gaodin is there. Then this Java man, right? So you need to write these things. So if they ask you anything related to this, let's say they have asked the Natufian culture, they can ask, let's say, Zhao Gaodin. So you know the Peking man is from there, so you can write that. Okay, so this is how You can write a 10 marker related to that. You need not worry about. Then you can write the social life hunter gatherer जो भी है, या now this use of fire was there, the language was there. Okay, so you can write these additional points which will get marks. See, I have written down the intro as well. Lower Paleolithic or early Stone Age covers the greater part of the Ice Age. Its characteristic tool is chopper chopping and hand axe. Cleavers primarily used for chopper hunting, and Homo erector is associated with it. Now, इसमें time period 2.5 lakh years to 1 lakh, or you can write 5 lakh years to 1 lakh, जो भी है. Okay, you can include that and your intro is done. Okay. So this is lower Paleolithic for you. Now lower Paleolithic में दो चीजें important है. एक है Soane industry, right? Soane industry which was discovered by Deterra and Patterson. Okay, which was discovered by Deterra and Patterson. तो Soane industry पे क्वेश्चन आज तक बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं. Okay. ये आपको प्रिपेयर करना है for 10 marks. Okay. Soane industry, right? Most of the question like इसमें जो है सोन इंडस्ट्री, इट इज, यहाँ पे इंडिया का मैप आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सोन इंडस्ट्री सिचुएटेड समवेयर हियर. उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है चौंतरा. ओके, चौंतरा इज द इंपॉर्टेंट साइट इन द सोन इंडस्ट्री. ओके, या आप मुनिरत्नम से भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं या एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सिंप्लीफाइड से भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके, उसका मैप ड्रॉ करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, इंडिया में कहाँ पे, इंडिया मतलब इट इज मोस्टली इन द पाकिस्तान. ओके, सोन इंडस्ट्री, तो वहां पे क्या क्या उसकी डिस्कवरी है, प्री सोन क्या है, पास सोन क्या है, उसके लेयर्स कैसे हुए हैं, राइट? सो विच वर द टूल्स ऑफ दैट साइट, व्हाई दिस साइट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड by UPSC since like many years. They have asked this question, so उस पे एक 10 marker आ सकता है. और they can ask why Soane industry is very very important, or what is the unique at this site. The uniqueness at this site is Soane industry में एक uniqueness है कि Soane industry में two types of tools observed at the similar site, right? Chopper chopping tools and hand axe culture. Mostly in the entire world, these tools are not observed at the similar site, right? So in the entire world, this जो chopper chopping है and hand axe है, right? Chopper chopping and hand axe, ये अलग अलग साइट पे पाए गए थे, but at this site there is shown these tools observed at the similar site. So they say that two sets of population were living at that site, or at that particular site. This is some kind of unique thing. Okay. Then the second important site related to lower Paleolithic in India is South Indian Paleolithic, which is also called as Madrasian industry, right? ये रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फुट है. आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन भी आया था, रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फुट का क्वेश्चन भी आया था यूपीएससी में फॉर 10 मार्क्स. सो रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फुट डिस्कवर, ये एक प्रीलिम्स में भी क्वेश्चन आया था. अगेन आर्कियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड जितने भी हम चीजें पढ़ रहे हैं, ये प्रीलिम्स के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, इससे एक आध क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. सो रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फुट, ही डिस्कवर्ड ये जो है अतिराम पक्कम में, ही हैज डिस्कवर्ड द हैंड एक्स. He has discovered the hand axe in 1867. So this is considered as start of Indian archaeology. Okay, start of Indian archaeology. This is considered as start of Indian archaeology because discovery of all other things started from here. Okay, so इसका देखना कितने अच्छे तरीके से मैंने इंट्रो लिखा है. Peninsular India forms another source of information on lower Paleolithic after the Soane Valley. Since such tools are earlier discovered in the Madras state, it is also known as Madrasian industry. So here you can write कि क्या टाइम पीरियड था वो. यहाँ पे देखिए टाइम पीरियड मैंने लिखा नहीं है, लेकिन यू शुड राइट हियर. लेकिन ये देखना यहाँ पे मैंने कितने अच्छे तरीके से मैप ड्रॉ किया है. बस ये आई थिंक इट शुड बी कावेरी कृष्णा रिवर के बीच में होगा. दिस शुड बी कृष्णा, ये गोदावरी है और ये कावेरी होगी. ओके, सो गुदियाम, रेनिनगुंटा एंड अतिराम पक्कम. ओके, इतना बढ़िया से आपने मैप ड्रॉ कर दिया. फिर टूल्स ड्रॉ कर दिए, ये जो भी है. ओके, अबेविलियन, एक्विलियन, क्लीवर्स, राइट. देन द फीचर्स, राइट. इतने लाइक दिस इज द वे यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू राइट द आंसर. आप इस तरह के ऐसे आप अगर आंसर लिखोगे, सो इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर द एग्जामिनर ऑल्सो टू इवेल्युएट दैट पर्टिकुलर आंसर. Okay, so Robert Bruce Foote discovered the hand axe from the Atirang Pakkam. Then Chinglepet district, यहाँ पे कृष्णा स्वामी ने क्या discover किया? Okay, so I am not going in this detail because there is nothing to explain in this. Okay, बी सुब्बाराव संकलिया तो एच डी संकलिया पे भी क्वेश्चन आता है, मैंने इसका भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको, एच डी संकलिया, राइट। बस बाकी चीजें तो जो भी है सोशो कल्चरल फीचर तो सेम ही है, हंटिंग गैदरिंग थी, इंटर ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेशन था। तो जब भी कोई साइट, जैसे हमने बोला कि मद्रासियन, so Madrasian is a particular site. Whenever they ask you about particular site, then you need to describe that particular site. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने बोला है कि नागार्जुनी कोंडा and Karyopudi, these are the large number of tools they are found in the recent times. Now this I have covered from the current affairs, है ना? तो whenever they ask you about particular site, then you should write about the particular site. Okay, so if you do that, then you will get good marks. Okay. Okay. Then this lower Paleolithic is done. We are now focusing on the middle Paleolithic. Middle Paleolithic. Okay. I hope you got lower Paleolithic. Okay. तो middle Paleolithic पे चलते हैं now. Now middle Paleolithic, it was a Mousterian culture. Mousterian culture, it was mostly related to Neanderthal. लोअर पैलियो मिडल पैलियोलिथिक का जो टाइम पीरियड है, इट इज 1 lakh year 40,000 years. Now if you can remember, this was the same time period for the Neanderthals. Okay, so Neanderthals were roaming on the earth in this period, and Mousterian is the name of the place in the Western Europe. ये Levalloisian, again ये flake technology, ये tool. So we can ask you about the Levalloisian tool technology for 10 marks. Then you need to write about this only. You need to write about this only. Okay, so they can ask only different forms of question. Answer same rahega. Answer same rahega. Only the question, the format of the question may change. Okay, you need not worry about that. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, एक्सलर, स्पेन, पेट्रोलोना, ये यहाँ पे हमने ये देखा भी है, निएंडरथल स्पाई यहाँ पे मिला है. ओके, देखिए दिस इज आइडेंटिफाइड प्रोटोस स्टील बे, केनिया स्टील बे, युगांडा, यहाँ पे ये दीज आर द साइट्स. नाउ मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक के पहले हम टूल टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह देख लेते हैं. मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक जो एक यहाँ पे क्या होता है, दिस इज लेट्स से स्टोन. स्टोन का क्या करते हैं, सो दीज आर द फ्लेक्स, ये फ्लेक्स रिमूव कर देते हैं. फ्लेक्स रिमूव करके दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कोर. Also this is called as core tool type technology. Core tool type technology. Okay, core tool type technology. So this is how this is called as tool technology. And which are the tools, which are the tools such as scrapers. Now देखिए ये आपका हो गया, ये फ्लैट सरफेस हो गया, मैंने यहाँ से उसको कट कर दिया, तो ये आपका बन जाएगा स्क्रैपर. ये देखिए ये होगा, ये हो गया आपका स्क्रैपर, राइट. स्क्रैपर, स्क्रैपर. फिर ऐसे ही होता है क्लीवर. क्लीवर थोड़े थोड़े चेंजेस होते हैं. देन बोरर, राइट, दिस कैन बी बोरर. ओके, सो यू कैन जस्ट ड्रॉ सम डायग्राम्स. ओके, दीज आर द टूल. ये सारी चीजें ऑलमोस्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस पे सेम रहेगी. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस. नाउ यू हैव लर्न द डिफ्यूजन थियरी, डिफ्यूजनिज्म, राइट. सो थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफ्यूजनिज्म से भी स्प्रेड होता गया, राइट. So these are the tool technology, then tools, then sites. Sites ये यूरोप में ये एक्सलर, स्पेन, पेट्रोलोना. So even if they ask about Axler, they won't ask because that is not a famous site, but they can ask about this. There can be so you should write this parallelly. There can be a 10 marker question on Mousterian culture. If they ask you a question on Mousterian culture, the answer is middle Paleolithic. जो भी आएगा वही लिखना है. But उसमें टूल टेक्नोलॉजी, टूल्स, ये सब सेम रहेगा. Mousterian culture you have to explain. Mousterian culture specifically belongs to Europe. Okay, moving forward, एशिया में क्या है? एशिया में जो मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक क्या है? इंडिया में भीमबेटका, कुर्नूल, लुनी, नेवासा, ये फिर सोशल लाइफ, हंटर गैदरर, ब्यूरियस, ये तो है इजी। देखिए इसका भी मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन कितना अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके रखा है। मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक इवॉल्व फ्रॉम द लोअर पैलियोलिथिक ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया। Climate was becoming very cold during this period. The Middle Paleolithic industries were mainly based on flax. Neanderthal man was associated with this. Okay, you can just include the period 1 lakh years to 40,000 years. 1 lakh years to 40,000 years. 1 lakh years to 40,000 years. इसमें जो मेजर साइट्स हैं इंडियन साइट्स, जैसे नेवासा, कुर्नूल, लुनी, these are major sites. Okay, you need not describe them as such, क्योंकि इस पे एक 10 मार्कर आ नहीं सकता, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट एज सच, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस साइट्स नहीं है। बट भीमबेटका पे आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज भीमबेटका इज वेरी फेमस। भीमबेटका पे आप, बिकॉज भीमबेटका स्प्रेड ओवर मल्टीपल, मतलब लोअर पैलियोलिथिक में भी है, मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक में भी है। ओके, ऑल्सो भीमबेटका इज एसोसिएटेड विद द केव आर्ट, प्री हिस्टोरिक आर्ट। Bhimbetka is related to prehistoric art as well. So they can ask a 10 marker on Bhimbetka. You should prepare it. They can ask a 10 marker on Mousterian culture. They can ask a 10 marker on Levalloisian tool technology. If they ask a Levalloisian tool technology, you have to write this one, Middle Paleolithic. Okay. Moving forward, then there is Upper Paleolithic. Upper Paleolithic. Upper Paleolithic. Now, Upper Paleolithic में now Homo sapiens came. Upper Paleolithic का जो time period है, it is somewhere as 40,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago. Now you must have studied now your Cro-Magnon, Grimaldi, Chance Slade, they were coming up, right? Cro-Magnon, Grimaldi, Chance Slade, they were coming up. So Homo sapiens, they started dominating the earth, right? Now the tool technology here was blade technology. Blade technology. Okay, so you can copy the diagram from somewhere. You just search about blade technology in the Upper Paleolithic and you will get that. So the tools they were preparing, they were like blades, burins, lunate, right? So very sharp and very precise. See, it is again, it shows the human brain was developing. And according to the requirement of time, we were making the tools. According to the requirement of time, we were making the tools. You need to understand this. ये सिर्फ कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट साइमल्टेनियसली हो रही है ना. It is simultaneously developing the culture as well as the physical development. These things are going simultaneously. You need to understand this. Okay. So इंडिया की मैंने साइट्स दी है, जैसे सदर्न में रेनिनगुंटा इज देयर, मच्छलता चिंतामणि गावी इज देयर. तो यहाँ पे मैंने ये जो नोट्स है इसमें मैंने ब्रीफ में दिया है. एक्चुअली आई हैव मेड दिस नोट्स फ्रॉम मुनिरत्नम. ओके, इससे मैंने नोट्स प्रिपेयर किए हैं. ओके, so who has discovered, it is very important to write. It's very important to write. लेकिन इतनी सारे साइट्स नहीं, कुछ साइट्स पता होनी चाहिए. इसमें जो अगर कोई फेमस साइट है, that you should know. Belan Valley is somewhat famous, so you should know about Belan Valley. Okay, Belan Valley you should know. Okay, so this is how we complete the Paleolithic culture from the world as well as Indian perspective. There can be one another question, you should write it down. Indian Paleolithic cultural development was unique. Indian Paleolithic cultural development was unique in the world. Okay, they can ask this type of question because there are some problems in the development of Paleolithic culture in India, because they think that it was not, मतलब जैसे अभी मद्रासियन इंडस्ट्री है, मद्रासियन इंडस्ट्री लोअर पैलियोलिथिक था, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वहां पे फिर लोअर पैलियोलिथिक भी था, मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक भी था, अपर पैलियोलिथिक, इट वाज नॉट लीनियर, इट वाज नॉट लीनियर. Okay, at the same time in the lower paleolithic we can see the glacial site also and pluvial site also. Stone was the glacial site which was on the like मतलब वहां पे बर्फ वगैरह था, ice था, and the pluvial site that is on the plains in the plateau region of India, that is Madrasian site. Okay, the Soan site is very unique, Madrasian site is very unique, and there are disturbances in Indian Paleolithic development. Okay, this question I think UPSC has asked once, you can ask it again, so you should prepare this question. Okay, then there is one world sites related upper Paleolithic. Upper Paleolithic में कुछ world sites है, such as Perigordian, Aurignacian, Gravithian, Magdalenian, and Solutrian. UPSC has not asked as such question on this till now, but they can ask about upper Paleolithic, and you have to describe these sites. So it is given in Anthropology Simplified. Okay, so you should prepare it. You should prepare it. Whatever it is given there, that's enough. That's enough. Then let's move on to the Mesolithic culture. Let's move on to the Mesolithic culture. Now Mesolithic में क्या हुआ? Now Homo sapiens was there. Then temperature was becoming warm. Temperature was becoming warm, and the large land space, the large land was vacated, and the forest started growing. Forest started growing. Now, when the forest started growing, all the animals which were there, they moved to the forest. Now, animals moved to the forest, but human was not capable to kill those animals. Human was not capable to kill those animals, right? Yes, we were doing the hunting, but again, we were doing the hunting of the small animals, not the wild animals. Small animals ka hunting karte the. So the tool required, they were very small tools which can be handy, at the same time very sharp tools. Also the tools which can be clubbed to the, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, spear, clubbed to the spear for the hunting purpose, so that was our requirement when we came to the Mesolithic, right? So there came the concept of microliths. Okay, time period 10,000 BC to 4,000 BC. Okay, वर्ल्ड के बारे में थोड़ा सा देखते हैं. इसमें टूल टेक्नोलॉजी, अगेन टूल टेक्नोलॉजी वाज ब्लेड टूल टेक्नोलॉजी. ब्लेड टेक्नोलॉजी थी, राइट? ब्लेड टेक्नोलॉजी, द टूल्स व्हिच वर देयर, दे वर लूनेट्स, ट्रैपेजेस, ट्रायंगल्स, राइट? सिंपल और बोन टूल्स भी यूज किए जा रहे थे. बोन टूल्स भी यूज किए जा रहे थे. बोन टूल सिंपल होता है, क्या होता है? हार्पून होता है ना, राइट? हार्पून्स होता है. सो दीस टूल्स वी वर यूजिंग एट दैट टाइम. क्या कैसे होता है वहां? ऐसे कुछ तो भी डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज हार्पून, देन ट्रैपेजेस, लूनेट्स, ट्रायंगल्स तो इजी होता है. ओके, जो भी है अच्छे से डायग्राम ड्रॉ करिए. दिस आर वेरी रफ डायग्राम्स, यू शुड ड्रॉ वेरी गुड डायग्राम्स. ओके, सो यू शुड ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. देन द साइट्स, व्हेन वी कम टू द साइट्स, नाउ इट स्टार्टेड अराउंड, जो भी यूरोप में है, मेसोलिथिक साइट्स, दैट इज मैग्डालियन पीरियड, बाल्कन मेसोलिथिक, इट इज कॉल्ड एज आयरन गेट कल्चर. Iron Gate culture. I don't think that UPSC will go in such a deep and they can ask, but after Natufian, many people were worried that UPSC can ask. So there is no harm in just knowing the names. Now, if they ask you about Iron Gate culture, that is Iron Gate culture. It's a Mesolithic culture in Europe. Okay. Rest of the things you need to write only this blade tool technology was used. These were the tools. This was the socio-cultural features. Just 1 or 2 lines about this side. That was enough. That was enough. And still you will get, if this is a question of 10 marks, so still you will get 5 marks. I'm confident about this. Rather than not writing anything, writing something good, I think it is sufficient. Right? Europe. Then नॉर्थ यूरोप में उसको मैग्लेमोसियन कल्चर बोलते थे नॉर्थ यूरोप में. बाल्टिक्स एंड यूरेशिया में कुंडा कल्चर था. कुंडा कल्चर इज वेरी वेरी फेमस. कुंडा कल्चर इज वेरी वेरी फेमस. ओके, कुंडा कल्चर इज फेमस. यू शुड नो अबाउट इट. नॉर्थ अमेरिका में डेजर्ट ट्रेडिशन था. नॉर्थ अमेरिका देयर वाज डेजर्ट ट्रेडिशन, राइट? ओरेगन, इडाहो, वायोमिंग, कैलिफोर्निया, यूटा. ओके, ये देखिए नाटुफियन कल्चर. नाटुफियन कल्चर इज मोस्टली मेसोलिथिक एंड न्योलिथिक कल्चर. ये था लेवंट. लेवंट माने रीजन ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया. सऊदी अरेबिया और जो इराक वगैरह का जो रीजन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नाटुफियन कल्चर. हियर न्योलिथिक, इट इज लेट पैलियोलिथिक एंड न्योलिथिक साइड. If you know this also, this is Capsian culture in the North Africa. If you just know Capsian culture belongs to which time period, still you can write a better answer. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. If you just know this, then you can write a better answer. Okay? ये सारी चीजें आप देख लीजिए. Now, Indian sites की जब हम बात करते हैं, the few famous Indian sites are, देखो एक तो है लंगनाज. लंगनाज जी है, right, which was discovered by S.G. Sankalia. Langnaj, right, which is there in the Gujarat on the Sabarmati river side. Sabarmati river side. Okay. So यहाँ पे you need to understand that we were, जैसे भी न्योलिथिक आता है, न्योलिथिक में एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट हुआ. That's why your Victor Child called this as revolution, first revolution of humankind, that is Neolithic. So human were moving towards sedentarian life. मतलब humans were moving towards a life where they were going to do the agriculture. अगर agriculture करेंगे, so they will be living at a single place. That's why this Natufian culture is very important, because this agriculture it started वहां पे बहुत पहले start हुआ था. If you even read the book that is Guns, Germs and Steel, you will get the mention of Natufian culture. Okay, so that's why they must have asked it. Okay, so we were moving towards a very important stage, that is Neolithic, and Mesolithic was the preparation of that stage. It was the preparation of that stage. Okay, so अभी जैसे बागोर is there in the Rajasthan. Okay, Bhilwara district of Rajasthan, discovered by V.N. Mishra in 1967. फाइंडिंग्स क्या है? अभी यहाँ पे हमने ये बोल रहे कि अभी सेटलमेंट्स मोर जो भी है पॉटरी. व्हाई? इफ यू आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स एग्रीकल्चर, देन वी विल बी प्रोड्यूसिंग समथिंग. देन इफ यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग समथिंग, यू नीड समथिंग टू स्टोर दैट. देन केम द पॉटरी. इन केस ऑफ Langanaj also, we found the pot shreds. Pot shreds. Pot shreds. Okay, pot shreds. फिर वहां पे rhino shoulder blade. Rhino shoulder blade was used as anvil. We will see the importance of anvil in the Neolithic. Okay. Then also there was the burial sites. Why burial sites are required? Now, when you are living at a place, if somebody dies, now why again when we say burial is there, then some kind of society is developing. अकेला बंदा तो जाके किसी का ब्यूरियल नहीं करता है ना, राइट? If there is burial, there is some kind of society, some kind of culture is developing. Why? Burial में बहुत से, जैसे हम गुर्जा होम में देखेंगे in the Neolithic, which is there in the Kashmir, right? So dogs were buried with the dead, or there were few jewelries and few of the जो भी है घर के कुछ सामान मतलब ब्यूरियल साइट्स पे पाया गया. So some kind of practices they were observing that shows the development of culture, development of society, development of एक human society का development दिखाता है. Okay, so findings क्या है? माइक्रोलिथिक इंडस्ट्री थी, राइट? माइक्रोलिथिक इंडस्ट्री थी, फिर माइक्रो ब्लेड्स, ज्योमेट्री के जो भी है ये चीजें बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. टूल टाइप्स क्या थे माइक्रोलिथिक? लूनेट, ट्रायंगल, ट्रापेजेस. ओके, ये देख लेना. So Agarwal said that this is the best studied microlith. They said he must be paleontologist या archaeologist. Okay, so ये मैंने जितनी भी important sites है, जैसे आदमगढ़ है एमपी में है, इसमें बेलन वैली एक important site है. बेलन वैली एक important site है which is studied by G.R. Sharma. बाकी लंगनाज एक important site है. You will get the Langnaj in anthropology simplified. Okay, these are some world sites. These are some world sites. ये जो है कुछ वर्ल्ड मेसोलिथिक की वर्ल्ड साइट्स है. ये मैंने जो पढ़ा है आपको, एजिलियन, राइट? एजिलियन, देन ये देखिए नाटुफियन कल्चर, देन मैग्लोमोसियन. मैग्लोमोसियन ये देख लेना आप, थोड़ा सा काम में आएगा आपके. ओके, देन द नियोलिथिक. नियोलिथिक, नियोलिथिक. नाउ नियोलिथिक में, when the Neolithic started, the important part of Neolithic is that now human was moving towards the stage of agriculture. Now to develop the agriculture, now today also we know that we need to develop the land. To develop the land, we have to cut the trees. To cut the trees, we need different kind of equipments, different kind of tools. The tools which are very much polished, because अगर हम अभी देखते हैं कि हम ऐसा पत्थर भी मार देना पेड़ में तो चिपक जाता है. So to hit it continuously, to cut that tree, it require a polished tool. So after these tools were prepared, there were three techniques: pecking, grinding and polishing. तो पेकिंग में क्या होता था? पेकिंग में एक जो अनड्यूलेटिंग सरफेस है, लेट्स से इफ आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस टूल, okay, now there will be, this tool may not be of good size, so to create it in a proper size, that is called as pecking. तो ऐसा धीरे धीरे करके उसका चिप निकालेंगे, right? You must have seen the axe. Now we are talking about the Abevelian and Aquilian axe, which were very primitive. Maybe they wouldn't be handy. They wouldn't be handy to, in a situation like this. They wouldn't be handy. Okay. So they were of not help. They were not at all helpful in this situation. So we need to develop a pecking technique. फिर ग्राइंडिंग उसका एक प्रॉपर शेप बनाया गया, राइट? ये जो है आपका एक प्रॉपर शेप बनाया गया, ग्राइंडिंग. एंड देन पॉलिशिंग विद द एनिमल फैट, to make it pointed, to make it very effective in cutting the tree. So these were the techniques which were developed in the Neolithic age. Neolithic age. Okay. न्यूलिथिक में कुछ वर्ल्ड साइट है, जैसे ये थेस्सली है, ये डनुबे वैली है, ये जेंको है, ये मैंने यहाँ पे भी लिखा है, असल रीजन सामने है। ये जो है मेसोपोटामिया, लेपात, जोर्मो एंड जेरिको, दीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट साइट, ये देख लेना आप। राइट, रीजनल वेरिएशन मैंने यूरोप में लिखा है, बाल्कन। ओके, सो बाल्कन साइट, देन जो भी है अफ्रीका में, अफ्रीका, देन नियर ईस्ट, नटुफियन कल्चर, ये देखिए नटुफियन यहाँ पे भी है। राइट, आई सेड टू यू दैट Natufian came at the end of Mesolithic and then Neolithic. Natufian culture, Khiamian, these are the cultures. Okay, उसमें आंसर वही आएगा। ये इंडिया के कुछ साइट्स, ये जो क्वेश्चन आए थे उस पे मैंने बनाया है। जो यूपीएससी में क्वेश्चन आया था, ये जो साउथ इंडिया, ये क्वेश्चन आया था 2017 में। सीएससी 2017 में दे हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट साउथ इंडियन न्यूलिथिक इन द पेपर 1, साउथ इंडियन न्यूलिथिक इन द पेपर 1। राइट, आई हैव drawn the map here also. Nagarjuna Konda, Hallur, Sangankallu, right? Just then time period क्या है, 2500 to 1000 BC। संगनकल्लू किसने किया है? सुब्बाराव। ब्रह्मगिरी किसने किया है? व्हीलर ने डिस्कवर किया है। टूल टेक्नोलॉजी वही वही लिखना है सब, बस फीचर्स क्या है, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स थे, सैडल क्वंस माने वही। कैसा डायग्राम बनता है इसका? ऐसा कुछ तो भी डायग्राम बनता है, या हमारे घर पे भी है, हमारे घर पे में आज भी है। when we have these iron equipments at our home which we need to polish so that to जो भी है एग्रीकल्चर के रिलेटेड जितने भी काम होते हैं उसके रिलेटेड पॉलिश करना ही पड़ता है। सो सैडल कैन वी हैव एट आवर होम, मेरे घर पे है गांव में। right, then huts and house remains were discovered, huts and house remains, right? So we were giving towards we were going towards agriculture, तो एग्रीकल्चर गए थे, फिर एग्रीकल्चर करने के लिए यू नीड टू लिव एट अ प्लेस, सो व्हेन यू नीड टू लिव एट अ प्लेस देन यू नीड टू बिल्ड अ हाउस, राइट, टू बिल्ड अ हाउस, देन राइट। रागी, नागार्जुन कोंडा, पिकली हाल, ये देखिए कश्मीर, नॉर्थ इंडिया हो गया, साउथ इंडिया, नॉर्थ इंडिया में कश्मीर साइड्स, गुर्जा होम, गुफ्रकाल, गुर्जा होम एंड गुफ्रकाल, राइट। ये देखिए उसमें भी फीचर्स, पॉटरी कैसी थी, नो यूज ऑफ बिल, वर मेड ओवर द मैट्स, राइट। देन पेंटिंग्स थी, पिट ड्वेलिंग्स, वहां पे कैसे पिट बनाए थे उन्होंने, अंदर बनाए थे, घर बनाए थे, ब्यूरियल्स कैसे थे, राइट, यू नीड टू राइट डाउन दीज थिंग्स। गंगेटिक प्लेन में द फेमस साइट इज अगेन चिरान व्हिच इज देयर इन द बिहार। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द मोटा मोटी फीचर्स तो सेम ही है, लेकिन you need to write some unique features related to that particular site. I have covered almost everything. These were the questions which UPSC asked in the previous papers, which I have covered in these notes. Okay. Then this is also very important site, which is Devjali heading. Devjali heading. This is the site in the northeast. Northeast. Okay. So उसका लोकेशन क्या है? I think this is also discovered by G.R. Sharma और J.C. Sharma. You need to confirm. यहाँ पे क्या था? यहाँ पे फिर एग्रीकल्चर, राइस कल्टीवेशन था, राइट। दिस साइट इज देयर इन द असम, दिस इज द मैप ऑफ असम। ओके, यूरोप का भी मैंने आपको बता दिया है। ओके, दिस इज हाउ न्यूलिथिक इज देयर। सो मोस्टली वी हैव कवर्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू न्यूलिथिक। ओके, So this was all about Neolithic. Then शायद Chalcolithic भी है. हाँ. Then comes the Chalcolithic culture, right? न्यूलिथिक के बाद फिर चाल्कोलिथिक आएगा. चाल्कोलिथिक की भी वर्ल्ड साइड मैंने दे दी है इसमें. यू नीड टू रेफर टू दिस ओनली. यहाँ पे आपका मोस्टली कवर हो जाएगा. सो चाल्कोलिथिक में मैंने यहाँ पे दिया है मध्य प्रदेश की साइट कौन सी है, राजस्थान की कौन सी साइट है, और वेस्टर्न महाराष्ट्र विच आर द फेमस साइट्स. दैट इज काइता मालवा कल्चर. दे कैन आस्क काइता मालवा कल्चर फॉर 10 मार्क्स, और दे कैन आस्क आहार गिलोड कल्चर फॉर 10 मार्क्स, और दे कैन आस्क दिस महाराष्ट्रियन चांदोली ये जो दाइमाबाद का कल्चर है और ये इनामगांव का कल्चर, दे कैन आस्क फॉर 10 मार्क्स. ओके, यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर दिस. और यहाँ पे फिर क्या क्या है मैंने सब लिखा है कि हाउस और सेटलमेंट्स कैसी है, टूल्स क्या क्या यूज करे थे आहार में, मतलब यहाँ पे आहार और गिलुड़ में क्या किए हैं, और पॉटरी कैसी है, डिशेस ऑन सैंड, बाउल्स ऑन सैंड. फिर यहाँ पे ब्लैक एंड रेड वेयर है, यहाँ पे अर्दन पैन है, सैडल कॉर्न है. ओके, देन कल्टीवेशन किसका था, नाउडोटोली में क्लेयर एंड लिंसीड का था. आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट कैसे होता है, या ब्यूरियल कैसे होता है, रिलीजियस कल्ट्स एंड ब्यूरियल कैसे हुआ है, राइट. देन कुछ सोशल इनइक्वालिटी है क्या. I have covered almost everything. Right? This is related to Chalcolithic. ये Chalcolithic कल्चर आपका मैंने यहाँ पे भी कवर किया है पूरा. Chalcolithic कल्चर वर्ल्ड में भी है. This is there in the 1.8B as well. 1.8B में भी है ये. 1.8B में भी है. ओके, तो 1.8B में भी है Chalcolithic culture. Towards the end of the Neolithic period began the use of the metal. The metal to be used first was copper, which was later replaced by bronze. The copper age was the transition between the Neolithic and Bronze Age. Right? The first Neolithic came, then the copper came, then the bronze came, then the Iron Age, which is your Industrial Revolution. This question, Iron Age related question, they asked in 2018. 2018 में आयरन एज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था. ओके, सो चाल्कोलिथिक कल्चर, देन व्हाट वाज द टाइम पीरियड. इंडिया में 1715 बीसी, बिकॉज कॉपर एंड कॉपर ब्रॉन्ज कल्चर, इट वाज कॉपर ब्रॉन्ज कल्चर जो कल्चर था तो अपना इंडस वैली का कल्चर था. लेकिन कॉपर कल्चर ये जो मैंने बोला, कायथा, मालवा, हार, गिलून, इनामगांव, दाइमाबाद, दिस कल्चर वाज मोस्टली रिलेटेड टू कॉपर कल्चर. ओके, सो क्लाइमेटिक रेजिन क्या थी, टूल टेक्नोलॉजी क्या थी, स्मेल्टिंग एंड मेटलर्जी थी, राइट. स्मेल्टिंग मेटलर्जी करते थे. टूल टाइप्स क्या, कॉपर से क्या टूल बनाते थे, एक्सेस, एरो हेड्स, प्लॉ, एग्रीकल्चर टूल्स बनाते थे, राइट. तो जो भी है आपने अगर स्ट्रक्चर में पढ़ा, इससे ज्यादा इसमें पढ़ाने जैसा कुछ है नहीं. बस आपको मैं एक डायरेक्शन दे रहा हूँ, गाइडलाइन दे रहा हूँ कि जो नोट्स मैंने दिए हैं उसको अच्छे तरीके से कैसे पढ़ना है. ओके, तो ये फेमस साइट से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी कवर किया मैंने यूरोप में. इफ देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट चाल्कोलिथिक कल्चर फॉर 15 मार्क्स इन पेपर 1, यू नीड टू राइट डाउन दीस थिंग्स. यू नीड टू राइट डाउन दीस थिंग्स. Unless you write down this, you won't get marks. Okay, सो यूरोप में क्या है, आल्प्स है. सर्बिया में कल्चर क्या है, आइबेरियन पेनिनसुला में कौन सा कल्चर है. ओके, अफ्रीका में, इजिप्ट में है. मेसो अमेरिका में कल्चर है, मिशिगन एंड विस्कॉन्सिन. मिडिल ईस्ट में देखिए, तिम्मा वैली कल्चर, तेहरान वैली कल्चर. ईस्ट एशिया में कल्चर है, साउथ एशिया में मेहरगढ़, ये जो भी कल्चर है. ओके, दिस इज द चाल्कोलिथिक. You need to read from this and that's enough. Then copper bronze culture, it is also mentioned in 1.8B, paper 1. You won't get content related to this anywhere because nobody compiled these. Okay, now after mixing copper plus tin, we got bronze. which was more sturdier, more stronger than the copper, right? So now अभी क्या हुआ है, आप थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड में बता देता हूँ क्या हुआ था 40,000 से 40,000 years ago से होमो सेपियंस स्टार्टेड कमिंग होमो सेपियंस स्टार्टेड कमिंग ना हमने देखा कि 10,000 के आसपास कुछ मेसोलिथिक था, उसके बाद 7,000 के आसपास कुछ न्यूलिथिक स्टार्ट हुआ, तो इसके बाद फिर दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग of the civilizations, right? Mesopotamia, Indus Valley civilization, Inca civilization, so various civilizations started developing. तो क्या है कि यहाँ पे एक एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, ये कोई कल्टीवेट कर रहा है, यहाँ पे कोई एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, ये कोई कल्टीवेट कर रहा है। नाउ क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे एक पॉपुलेशन, एक टाइम के बाद इसकी पॉपुलेशन तो बढ़ जाएगी, so population will increase. Now this group, this is let's say A group, this is let's say B group. Now A group will look out for the other land for the cultivation, other land for the cultivation. At the same time, B group was also looking for the other land for cultivation because the same process is happening here also. Okay, population is increasing here also. So let's say they come and meet at this point. Now, which was the society at this time? Band type society was there, right? Which you are studying in the fourth topic, political organization. Right? So band type of communities were there. Now, when A will come here, B will come here, these people don't know these people. So everybody want to have this land. So what is the best way to have this land? They'll go to war. Whoever wins, that person or that group will take the land. So for the war, you need now equipments, war equipments, right? So then we started preparing helmet, chariot, use of hammer. Then at the same time, many of the equipments and then ornaments, hammer, then bronze plowhead, because we need to till the land, right? Agriculture तो करना ही था, agriculture करना था, तो tilling of the land was required. To tilling of the land, a sturdier plow was required, right? So that's why bronze was important. Bronze was important. So I have given you geographical distribution also. West Asia में सुमेरिया था, बेबीलोनिया था, असीरिया था, यूरोप में यूनेटिक कल्चर was there, ग्रीस में Cycladic civilization was there. So you just, if they ask you it copper bronze, they won't ask you more than that. Copper bronze culture, they will ask you for 15 marks. So you already, I have given you in the answer format, exactly answer format, right? Minoan civilization. Then एशिया में क्या है? इंडस वैली. कॉपर ब्रॉन्ज क्या है? इंडस वैली है. राइट? उनके सोशो कल्चरल फीचर्स जो भी है, अर्बनाइजेशन, ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स, जो भी न्यू प्रोफेशंस आए, राइट, कोर्स एंड वर्किंग, ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे केम अप. देखिए, नेसेसिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू रेगुलेट एंड कंट्रोल द अर्बन लाइफ, rise of the city states, kingdom became widespread. Why? The population was growing. Now when the population was growing, the few among them wanted to, जो भी आपने political organization पढ़ा है, you already know this process, right? So the how from band to go to tribe, tribe to go to kingdom, kingdom to go to state, right? Then the important aspect of religion, religion, religion. Okay, so right, this your copper bronze is also done. Copper bronze is also done. Okay, so we have covered till now lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and copper bronze. Copper bronze. Okay. Now the remaining part is Iron Age, Iron culture, and Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization will take just. So till now we have covered almost Mesolithic, Paleolithic, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Copper Bronze culture. So the Iron Age culture again, like there is as such the technique जो भी है, like you can see the material used, like you can write down the time period. Time period वही था around 1500 years before BC, 1500 BC to 1000 BC or something. We are using iron today also. So in that time, the iron technology developed. Okay. So again, what was the reason behind development of iron technology was that again, see again, the stone was there in Neolithic, then the copper came, then copper is a stronger copper, like bronze came, right? Bronze came after, then the bronze came after, then iron came, right? So the material became stronger and stronger because the need was that, right? So as we moved towards agriculture and then we were living at a place, then we required material which was good. As I said, then came the wars, right? The wars started. Now we needed the war equipments as well, right? So we needed more stronger material. Then came the iron, right? So again, tool technology में वही smelting ये वो जो भी वही लिखते हैं ना. Then distribution of the sites लिखते हैं ना, एनाटोलिया वगैरह जो है, फिर लेवांट कुछ स्टेट्स थे, इजराइल वगैरह, फिर इंडिया में भी कहाँ यूज किया गया आयरन टेक्नोलॉजी की गई थी, राइट? सो ये जो हम बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं वो जो दो सेवन स्टेट्स इन द बिहार, वो जो एक क्या गणराज्य क्या क्या बोलते हैं उसे, इन दोज दैट गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स में उस टाइम द यूज ऑफ द आयरन स्टार्टेड. बट इससे रिलेटेड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट अबाउट द पॉटरी. महाजनपदास, थैंक यू. महाजनपदास. So Mahajanpadas में like we were using iron. So Mahajanpadas से आप अगर देखते हो तो we started using iron both for the agricultural purpose and for the warfare purpose as well. Okay, so that was the uses. Now when we say that what is the importance of iron, they ask the question, what is the importance of iron in present context? What is the importance of discovery of iron in the present context? This question was asked in 2018, CSE 2018 paper 1. Right now, here also, rather than writing the random answer, you need to think. You need to think in the dimension की हाँ economic impact क्या है. देखिए 2018 का पेपर जो था, first time they asked some unconventional questions. Till 2017 the questions were very conventional. For the first time 2018 they started asking unconventional questions, right? So unconventional, this was the unconventional so unconventional question, PGW बोलते हैं, PGW culture of the iron age in India. Again, this was the question asked. Okay, so first is economic impact. Economic impact present life में क्या है? Industrial revolution. Then industrial revolution से urbanization start हुआ. Urbanization, development of the nation state, economic impact, social impact, creation of the employment, urban life, right? Then religious impact, political impact, right? In this sector you can divide and you could have written a better answer, and that is iron tool technology for you. There is nothing as such to explain in it. Okay, then we will move towards the most favorite topic, that is Harappan civilization. The syllabus, if you can see, that is, they have mentioned the pre-Harappa, Harappa, and post-Harappa. Pre-Harappan culture is mostly this culture which I have written on this single page. It includes your pre-Harappan. Nothing more than this is required. Harappan culture, I'll tell you in detail, and post-Harappan is mostly this Chalcolithic culture. Mostly Chalcolithic culture which was there in India, it is post-Harappan culture. So if you can see the time of pre-Harappan, it was 3300 BC to 2500 BC. 3300 BC to 2500 BC. So these are the towns: Amri, Rahmandari, Kotdiji. Kotdiji is very, very important. And Mehergarh is very, very important. It is late Neolithic site and pre-Harappan site. They can ask this Mehergarh for Denmarker and Kotdiji for Denmark. Okay. Then ये Kalibangan वगैरह, these are the pre-Harappan sites. इसमें मैंने किया है this because pottery is important. Township, it was coming up, as I have said, agriculture was coming in, and because of that, township was coming in. So which type of houses were there? Which type of houses were there? It was very, very important. Okay. Then pottery, then there was there any trade and relation with the other sides? यहाँ पे then beads ये मुझे एक prominent लगा. Then you can write about anything which is pre-Harappan thing, you can just write. Okay. And these are the common features. Pottery like Kodiji, defensive walls were there. Like वहाँ पे अभी goddesses के statue आने लगे थे, right? Fertility goddesses के statue आने लगे थे, right? Okay. Okay. Then we move to the Harappa. Okay. So whenever they ask about Harappa, make sure that you draw the diagram. See, drawing India's map is very interesting and very, very easy. India's map is very easy. थोड़ा यहाँ से गलत हो गया. Okay, so approximately सही है. So okay, मैं इससे अच्छा ड्रॉ कर सकता हूँ थोड़ा. Okay, now when they ask about you about the Harappan side, then you need to ये this map is not at all required. Okay, बस इतना मैप भी ड्रॉ कर दिया तो चलेगा. इतना मैप भी ड्रॉ कर दिया तो चलेगा. Then you need to say this is something which is Harappan. Okay, यहाँ पे जो भी है, यहाँ पे आपका मोहनजोदड़ो है, यहाँ पे हड़प्पा है. जितनी भी साइट्स है आप अच्छे से साइट दिखाना. जितने भी यहाँ पे धोलावीरा है, धोलावीरा इज देयर, कालीबंगान इज देयर. जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स है, मेक श्योर दैट यू शो दोस साइट्स. ओके. सो हड़प्पा में सबसे पहली इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि जितनी भी साइट्स है, ये आपने आपके नितिन सिंघा ने भी मे भी पढ़ा होगा, आर्ट एंड कल्चर में भी पढ़ा होगा. जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स है, मेक श्योर दैट यू जस्ट राइट सम ब्रीफ अबाउट दोस साइट्स. यू जस्ट राइट अबाउट ब्रीफली अबाउट दोस साइट्स. ओके. ओके, तो वहां पे राइट की मेटलर्जी में था, ब्रॉन्ज कॉपर ब्रॉन्ज सिविलाइजेशन था. ओके, और जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है सच एज योर हड़प्पा, मोहनजोदड़ो, देन धोलावीरा, फिर लोथल, because these are Indian sites. Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan. Okay. Then also write about the socio-cultural features. Socio-cultural features यही था कि religious थे, houses थे, hygienic थे, town planning important थी, right? Agriculture था, कालीबंगान में हमने पाया है agriculture. Okay. Then town planning. This question again it was asked in 2018. 10 मार्कर पूछा था टाउन प्लानिंग. एज इट इज आंसर लिखोगे फिर भी बहुत अच्छे मार्क मिलेंगे. आई हैव गॉट 165 मार्क्स इन पेपर 1 इन 2018. ओके. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द विलर एंड मार्शल जो भी है बस लिख देना. पैटर्न ऑफ टाउन प्लानिंग क्या है? सिटाडेल एंड लोअर टाउन. अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन 2019 कि जो हड़प्पा था, हड़प्पा ये सोशो कल्चरल जो आई थिंक देयर वाज दिस क्वेश्चन की सोशो कल्चरल इनइक्वालिटी हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन हम कैसे स्टडी कर सकते हैं, राइट? हम बोलते हैं कि सिटाडेल था और लोअर टाउन था. सो देयर वाज अ डिवीजन इन द सोसाइटी. सिटाडेल में द पीपल हु वर इन द अपर स्ट्रेटा दे वर लिविंग इन द सिटाडेल. द पीपल हु वर इन द लोअर स्ट्रेटा दे वर लिविंग इन द लोअर टाउन. ओके. देन यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा दिया है ग्रिड सिस्टम, स्ट्रीट्स एंड लेन्स. जैसे अभी लैंड पोस्ट पाए गए हैं मोहनजोदड़ो में, राइट? सो सम काइंड ऑफ वहां पे ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग थी, राइट। देन बिल्डिंग्स कैसे थे, राइट, देन बिल्डिंग्स कैसे थे, जितने भी बिल्डिंग्स थे वो बिल्डिंग्स कैसे थे, राइट। देन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ड्रेनेज सिस्टम कैसा था, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम कैसा था, राइट, वेल एस्टेब्लिश्ड, राइट, बनवा ली कालीबंगाल में। फिर पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स, granaries which were there in the almost every site, granaries were there, granaries were there, great bath मोहनजोदड़ो में था, देन डॉकयार्ड, और इसका एक अच्छे से मैप ड्रॉ कर, मैप ड्रॉ कर देना कि कैसा था, एक पर्टिकुलर कोई भी साइट कैसी थी, एक मैप ड्रॉ कर देना, बस आपका आंसर हो गया। There can be one question on trade of Harappan civilization. I don't know if I have given you this or not. Trade of Harappan civilization. नहीं, मैंने नहीं दिया है, आपको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा। Trade of Harappan civilization. Trade of Harappan civilization. You can कि हाँ ट्रेड था, तो यहाँ पे भी आप इंडिया का एक मैप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो कि यहाँ से जो अफगानिस्तान में क्या ट्रेड करते थे, फिर इधर मेसोपोटामिया के साथ क्या ट्रेड करते थे, फिर ट्रेड किस 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 चीज से दिख के आता है, सच एज सील्स, सील्स, राइट, सील्स। देन सरप्लस था, तो ट्रेड था, तो व्हाट वाज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट ट्रेड, you need to write everything, you need to write this everything, okay. No need to worry about anthropological perspective. This is actual question. You need to write the factual answer. Then religion of Indus Valley civilization. This question can be also be asked. So which were the religious practices which were observed in the Indian like वहाँ पे Indus Valley में पशुपति सील था, right? This we have seen in the Arya Sharma as well. Arya Sharma के book पे ही है पशुपति सील का. Okay, पशुपति सील, mother goddesses, right? Fertility goddesses. Then tree worship was there, animal worship, that is unicorn, animal worship was there. Then amulets, amulets which वो हम बाजू में जो ये बांधते हैं, आम पे बांधते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं amulets. Then linga and fallu worship, that is yoni worship was there, yoni worship was there. Disposal of the dead, that is burial practices were there, ritual bath was there. But at the same time there were no temples which were found in the Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia में temples थे, but there were no temples here. ये क्वेश्चन आपको जीएस में भी पूछा जा सकता है, जीएस 1 में भी पूछा जा सकता है। ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द इंडस वैली। और इंडस वैली से दूसरा एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आता है कि डिसअपीयरेंस ऑफ इंडस वैली एंड थियरीज एसोसिएटेड विद इट, थियरीज associated with the disappearance of Indian civilization. There are multiple theories, okay, but any theory cannot explain it properly. जो भी है आप एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सिंप्लीफाइड से पढ़ लेना, जो बहुत इजी है। आई नीड नॉट एक्सप्लेन दोस थिंग्स, इट्स वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, राइट। सो दैट इज आर्यन माइग्रेशन थियरी, आर्यन माइग्रेशन थियरी। फिर एक मार्शल ने भी कुछ थियरी दी है, तो जितने भी थियरीज है, कुछ 4-5 थियरीज है, एट द एंड यू कैन राइट द कंक्लूजन। आर्यन माइग्रेशन तो रूल आउट ही कर दिया, क्योंकि आर्यन माइग्रेशन अगर हम बोलते हैं तो इट केम एट अ वेरी लेटर स्टेज अराउंड 1500 बीसी, एंड तब तक तो हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन वाज नॉट देयर, ओके। आई थिंक दिस इज सफिशिएंट रिलेटेड टू हड़प्पा एज वेल। हड़प्पा में कोई इंडिविजुअल साइट पूछ सकते हैं, जैसे लोथल पूछ सकते हैं, लिख लीजिए आप। they won't ask you about Harappa or Mohenjo-daro because it's there in the Pakistan. But Dholavira, Lothal, they were in the focus. So you can just prepare some 100 words on Dholavira and Lothal. What was there at the Dholavira? What was there at the Lothal? Okay. So we have covered almost 1.8b, 1.1 of paper. अभी यहाँ पे दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन आता है. What is the contribution of tribals in Indian civilization? What is the contribution of tribals in Indian civilization, which is there in the 1.8a? 1.8a. इसका भी मैंने ऑलरेडी डिटेल में आंसर दे दिया है. हम ये दूसरे लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे वैसे सर्वाइवल पैरेलल वगैरह. ये एसडी संकालिया पे भी एक 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. इसका डिटेल आंसर मैंने दे दिया है. यू नीड टू जस्ट रीड इट. नो नीड टू ऐड इन दिस. I have covered everything in this. There is one question related to contribution of tribals in Indian civilization. I think I have given you answer. हाँ ये है. Contribution of tribal culture to ये भी question आया था 2018. I forget 2018 या 2019 में आया था ये question. I forgot. ये भी बहुत easy question है, straight forward. इसका आंसर यही है क्योंकि ये एलपी विद्यार्थी बुक से है. एलपी विद्यार्थी के बुक से है और सब यही आंसर लिखेंगे. आपको इसके अलावा कुछ अगर मिलता है तो दैट्स वेल एंड गुड. ओके. सो इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज बड़ी लैंग्वेज में कैसे कंट्रीब्यूशन हुआ, सोशल लाइफ में कैसे हुआ, टेक्नो इकोनॉमिक लाइफ में कैसे हुआ. आई हैव कंपाइल्ड फ्रॉम मेनी डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ओके. So if you get some new things, you can add in this. But the answer is this. Answer is this. Okay. So I think it is enough for today. So as I have said, we have covered 1.8b, that is lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Upper culture, Upper Bronze culture, Iron Age culture. In the 1.1a of paper 2, 1.1 of paper 2, that is your all these cultures related to India and Harappan civilization and contribution of tribals to Indian civilization. Okay, this we have covered. Now the remaining portion is 1.8a, that is dating techniques. 1.2 of paper 2, that is Shivalithic, Shivalik, Ramapithecus, Shivapithecus, and Narmada Man, and 1.3, that is ethnoarchaeology. Okay, that is remaining. Definitely we'll cover in the next video.